Welcome back to another weekly Watershed Walk video. This week we are showcasing some work that our Habitat Improvement Coordinator Rachel did on bird boxes at our Pleasant Ridge demonstration site. As you may know, bird boxes are a great way to provide nesting habitat for a variety of bird species. Here at the KWRC, we focus our bird box efforts on species that thrive in riparian zones and adjacent areas, such as sparrows, swallows, finches, and thrushes, to name a few. Here you can see Rachel disassembling and cleaning out a nest box that was used over the spring. We clean out our bird boxes for two reasons. Firstly, a fresh, clean bird box is much more appealing to a bird looking to nest than a dirty one, and cleaning out the boxes also helps prevent the spread of avian diseases. Secondly, we clean out our bird boxes so that we can take a sample of the nest material and any feathers that were left behind, so we can try to identify what species of bird may have been using our box. Once the bird box is cleaned out, we reassemble it so it can be used again in the spring when birds are looking to nest. There are quite a few bird boxes at this site, so Rachel was hard at work making sure the boxes were in good condition for the spring. If you want to learn more about bird boxes and how we use them in our restoration work, visit our website, kennebecasesriver.org, click the Restoration tab and Habitat Enhancement. Here you can find information as well as an interactive map showing the locations of our bird boxes. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. Thank you to all of our amazing partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you can stay up to date on all of our projects. We'll see you next time.